I'm going to walk through how email templates work in Proposify. So as you might have seen in one of the videos that walks through how to send proposals, when you visit the send page of a proposal, you'll see that it's got three main different templates that it shows. So one is your send email template. So this is the email that you would write if you were sending a proposal to a client. There's your thank you email template, which is the email that automatically gets sent to the client once they accept the proposal. And optionally too, there's also the reminder email, which is if you've set up a reminder, if the client hasn't opened the proposal in a certain amount of days, it will automatically email them a reminder email. So you can actually customize emails. And to do that, of course, you have to have the access and the permission to be able to edit email templates in your account settings. So if I go to email templates in my account settings, you see that the three different types, send, reminder, and thank you, are all here. And I can click on one to edit it. Or if I wanted to create a whole new template, I can. I would just have to select which type, send, reminder, or thank you. So let's say I want to edit the send email template. I can just click on it and it shows the subject line is the name of the proposal and the company name. So these values will get changed out once you're actually in a proposal sending it. And I can also change the content here. Again, I want to leave these variables the way they are because then they'll get replaced with whoever your client's name is. If I typed in John Smith or something right here, then every client contact would get emailed John Smith. It wouldn't show their actual name. Now here, this is a very special type of link. So if you see click to view proposal, it shows it as a green button. So if I click edit, you'll see that it's very just plain text, click to view proposal, and it's got this bracket proposal link in there. I want to leave that the way it is because that's going to show the correct proposal link when I send the email. Now I can change the way all of these templates look. So obviously I'd want to save my progress here. Now on all these pages you see there's a button called Customize Design. I see it when I'm editing a template and also here in the main list of email templates. If I click Customize Design, it will let me change the look and feel of all the email templates that go out. So for example, my brand, I might want to have a red background. Maybe the foreground is a little gray, and maybe I want a particular logo here. Oops, it can't be an SVG. It's got to be a PNG. There we go. So I've got my, actually that color doesn't look very good. Let's go with kind of more of a dark gray, the way it was before. And let's see, maybe the text is one of these ones. Now it's a very basic font list because, you know, your client's email templates are probably only going to have one of these fonts. They're not going to see it in a web browser where you can show all kinds of different fonts. So we'll just keep it really simple, something like Verdana. And I can bump up the font size a little bit. I can tweak the line height, maybe make it bigger. And let's change the color of the text to be a little bit lighter. And I can also change the alignment of text. And I can change the color of links. So I'm going to change it to more, to make it look a little bit more on brand. That's a little too bright, it doesn't show up well, so I'm just going to make it dark green. And buttons, of course, too, you can change to be whatever color you'd like. Let's go with that. So here I've customized my email template. I can also choose to add a footer if I want. A footer is automatically going to show the name of the person, the agent assigned to the proposal, and it's going to show your company address here, and it's going to show their picture if I've added one. I haven't added one yet, so it only just shows this. Now I don't need to show this footer. I can get rid of it, but I can add it if I want to show that. Unfortunately, that's all the design styling options you have for the footer. There's no way to really customize all these elements or move them around. Maybe that will come in a future release. Okay, so I've customized my email, so let's save it. And now let's go back and take a look at what it's done to my template. So you see now it's applied that same design to all of my emails. And when I go to send a proposal, it shows me the correct styling for everything. So that is how you use email templates. Now, hopefully that makes sense. When you look at your email templates, it says there's only one type, which is the default send email. For each of these, because I only had one for each type. Now I could have multiple. This would be useful, say, if you speak multiple languages and you wanted to create a French template and an English template or a Spanish template. You could then, if the client you're sending to speaks primarily Spanish, then you could have a Spanish send email template, a Spanish thank you email, and so forth, and use it that way. Hopefully that's been helpful.